rainforests are important because of many reasons, and I will tell you some here. They provide a habitat for animals and plants. They regulate our climate. They help to prevent soil erosion. They provide a home for indigenous people. It may surprise you to know that more than 25% of our modern medicines originate from tropical forest plants. Even so, we have only learned how to use 1% of these amazing plants. So imagine the possibilities if we could experiment with the other 99%. Many foods we consume today, such as nuts, bananas, coffee, and species, and industrial products such as rubber resins, fibers, and other stuff, were originally found in tropical rainforests. Abiotic factors in a tropical rainforest include water, a warm climate, sunlight, and soil nutrients. All organisms and populations in the tropical rainforest depend on water and warm temperatures. Plants depend directly on sunlight and soil nutrients.
Now we are going to talk about the species of animals and plants that are located in the tropical rainforest. One of them is the aye, another one is the brown spider monkey and its relatives. We also have birds like the toucan or the black-cheeked woodpecker. As predators, we have the Amazon horned frog and the jaguar. With plants, some plants in this ecosystem are also found in other ecosystems, but we are going to skip those and we're going to talk only about the plants that aren't commonly found in other ecosystems, as lianas, drip tips, buttresses, propenstile roots, epiphytes, and pitcher plants.
Rapid industrialization of Mexico and uncontrolled population growth over the last few decades have had a substantial impact on the country's environment and left less than 10% of its original tropical rainforest standing. Today, Mexico's rainforests are limited to southeastern Mexico along the Gulf of Mexico and the state of Chiapas.
Forests are crucial terrestrial reservoirs of contaminants due to the commonly envisaged high capacity of their surface soils to store and immobilize airborne contaminants bound to soil organic matter. The vital services rain tropical forests provide are seriously disrupted by air, water, and soil pollution, which all cause damage to the rainforests and people living in or around them. A contaminant that interacts with the rainforest is the carbon dioxide. Rainforests act in their unique capacity as pollution sinks. They remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and thus are capable of neutralizing pollution. By acting as pollution sinks, rainforests provide a common global good for the rest of humanity. On the other hand, if rainforests are destroyed, they will also act as major sources of global warming pollution. Also, agriculture is a well-known source of environmental pollution, specifically causing ammonia emissions from livestock farming and animal waste. Other contaminants that are part of air pollution in the tropical rainforests are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, ammonia, carbon monoxide, volatile organic compounds, ozone, persistent organic pollutants, and airborne particles.
An endangered species is a species which has been categorized by the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List as likely to become extinct. Endangered is the second most severe conservation status for wild populations in the IUCN schema after critically endangered. Many nations have laws that protect conservation-reliant species, for example, forbidding hunting, restricting land development, or creating preserves. Population numbers, trends, and species conservation status can be found in a list of organisms by population. The conservation status of a species indicates the likelihood that it will become extinct. Many factors are considered when assessing the conservation status of a species, such as statistics as the numbers remaining, the overall increase or decrease in the population over time, breeding success rates, or known threats. The IUCN Red List of Threatened Species is the best known worldwide conservation status listing and ranking system. There are several